Hi guys! Kwentuhan tayo for today while I eat turon and drink milk tea. So, mamaya ko muna kaya kainin tong turon kasi masarap kaya ng milk tea guys.
Masarap unahin ang turon.
So,
Ito yung flavor sa akin.
ito guys, mine is Okinawa. My mom's is winter melon.
Fruity. This is fruity. Yours
Yes.
is milk tea.
So, wow. Mukha namang masarap guys. Kaya bumili na kayo sa Quinty. It's my shop guys. So, ayan. Masarap.
Ano ba?
Masarap. So guys, if you haven't noticed yet, I got haircut for my bangs.
Sino nag-haircut sila?
My mom. Kailangan ng style guys.
Galing.
Ayan. So guys, wala. Oh. Hindi na ako mukhang AI guys. Tingnan nyo yung bangs ko. Hindi na yan AI guys. So, anyways, guys, wala pa rin pasok kasi it's still Holy Week. Pero meron pa rin module. And also, ano ba yun ang ingay sa labas? Pero hindi ako makamove on guys sa cheer dance ko kasi tuwang-tuwa talaga ako nung nag-champion kami.
Lupo na ba?
Hindi kasi nandun yung crush ko eh.
Ay, kumain ka ng turon.
Oh, ikaw muna first bite, be. First bite.
Sinong biyan?
Crush ko. Charot. Guys, code name ko sa crush ko, Watermelon. Kasi, hindi ko lang alam. Kasi whenever I want to talk about him and he's near, sinasabi ko lang, uy, si Watermelon, no?
No.
Code name.
Ay, be. Oh, you're only 11 years old. Crush ka dyan.
At least, hindi jowa.
Marunong ka na ba maglaba?
Yes! Marunong na ako maggawaing bahay. Marunong na ako magsaing, hugas ng pinggan, magwalis, tapos maglaba. Galing ko guys, no? Nag-trending nga guys yung video ko na naglaba ako. So, responsible talaga ako guys.
Yes, you are responsible. Keep it up. Pero may pasok pa din kayo.
Yeah.
Patikin naman ang milk tea mo.
Meron ka na fruity eh. If I share, you share.
Yeah. Sarap. Masarap pa din sa akin.
Sarap talaga ng pearls nila, guys. Ay, sarap ng pearls ng tindahan ko. So, bumili na kayo, guys. Trust me, magugustuhan nyo. So, that's all for our quick one today. See you guys. See you next time. Have a blessed Holy Week.